Never smile at a crocodile.
No, you can't get friendly with the crocodile.
Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you'd fit within his skin. Sing!
Never smile at a crocodile. Never tip your hat and stop to talk a while.
Never walk, run away, say goodnight, not good day.
Clearly I'll never smile at Mr. Crocodile.
Mr. Smee, you know the deepest fear in those feet?
What fear is that, Captain?
Someday the clock will run down. You shall sneak up, crunch, gnash, pulverize until there's nothing left of me at all. Oh.
Never smile at a crocodile, or you might get eaten by the crocodile.
Yes, it's true. Take a look. Now my hand is a hook.
Clearly I'll never smile at Mr. Crocodile. He goes.